Benjamin Asare is a Hearts of Oak goalkeeper who has been with the team for a very long time. A few weeks ago, more like in March, he was spotted in a commercial vehicle going for training, and this it made a lot of people wonder why Benjamin was using a commercial vehicle popularly known as trotro instead of having his own car, even if it's a small Toyota Vitz. This has made a lot of people wonder, you know, if he was not paid enough as a Hearts of Oak player. And recently, he was also part of the Ghana Black Stars. And everybody knows that Ghana Black Star players are paid well. And being a Hearts of Oak player, Benjamin, who is currently 34 years, or he's being paid well according to our sources, and for him not to be having his own car to subject him to opt for a commercial vehicle was not a good look, for such a star player. Anyway, the Heart of Oak player was gifted a car by Ghanaian business magnate Alhaji Seidu Agongo, the chief executive officer of Class Media Groups. The presentation took place at the club's commercial center on Wednesday morning. Alhaji Seidu Agongo's benevolent act comes after Benjamin Asare's video in a public transport was rife on the internet in March. Asare was spotted at the front seat of an urban commercial vehicle popularly known as trotro after making his Black Stars debut, triggering netizens to condemn the act. Speaking at the ceremony, it was a very short ceremony. Asari stated that he thanks all his supporters of Hearts of Oak and the incredible gesture because he thought he didn't deserve it. And he says, and I quote, I thank the whole nation and the president for this opportunity. I also thank my coach, Utara, and everyone who has helped me. I cannot thank Ghanaians enough. I did not know that I deserved all this. And I promised Ghanaians that we will be at the World Cup. This is what, you know, Asari said. Asari has been in imperious form of Hearts of Oak this season, keeping 15 clean sheets in 24 games. His coach, Abubakar Utara, stated that I will tell Asari to utilize the car well. He should bear in mind that it was as a result of his abilities on the pitch that earned him this beautiful award. I will urge him to perform at the highest level because Ghana is one of the most powerful football nations in the world. So, taking to the comment section, someone who has seen how generous Benjamin has been throughout his football career shared this comment. He says, when Benjamin Asare shared his bonus with his team members, the shallow minded, greedy individuals didn't understand and were even insulting him for doing that. They did not know that this act of kindness from him has led to his current doors that has been opened for him. He says it opens doors that under normal circumstances shouldn't be open for you to walk through. The elements of the universe, which are the sun, the earth, the water, and the air, appreciated Benjamin Asare's kind gesture and decided to reward him abundantly for the sacrifice and the love he showed towards his team. You guys haven't seen anything yet. Most of you people are only interested in receiving from people, yet you are not ready to give. Givers, they say, never lack. And this is true. Because of Benjamin Asarin's kind heartedness, he's been rewarded mightily. And they always say that the fragrance always stays in the hands that gives the rose. And because of the kind heartedness or the kindness he showed towards his team, he has been rewarded greatly. This is BBC Ghana. Stay tuned for more exciting news.